For too long, brands have managed suitability, optimization, and performance across platforms that don't talk to each other, creating fragmented data, misaligned placements, and spend that can't be fully accounted for. Channel Factory has spent over a decade building the infrastructure to solve that, operating across 70 markets and 50+ languages with deep contextual and suitability expertise at scale. Our proprietary platform delivers greater suitability accuracy, faster optimization, and stronger performance across the walled gardens. AERO is the intelligence layer behind it, constantly learning and improving with each campaign. Your brand DNA is built from real data. Brand standards are enforced pre-bid before a single dollar is spent. Less guesswork, less misaligned placements. As your campaign runs, the profile adapts, suitably scored, weighted, and continuously refined. New signals in, better targeting out. Contextual audiences are dynamically generated and always up to date. Budgets are continuously optimized, shifting toward what's performing. And every campaign feeds the next, with one proprietary impact score and intelligence that compounds over time. Millions of videos and channels categorized every day, billions of dollars in campaign performance data. And with AERO orchestrating it all, 8.6 times more conversions, 6 times higher ROAS than standard video campaigns. This is where suitability meets performance. Channel Factory, supercharged by AERO.